Ever seen those videos where a small nozzle suddenly turns a normal garden hose into a powerful pressure washer? Today, we're reviewing the Qinux Aquoxis Pressure Washer, a viral cleaning tool that claims it can blast away dirt, mud, and grime from cars, patios, and driveways without using electricity. The product connects directly to a regular garden hose and is advertised as a lightweight and affordable alternative to bulky pressure washers. According to its sales page, it promises strong water pressure, easy installation, and fast outdoor cleaning in minutes. The Qinux Aquoxis is basically a hose attachment nozzle designed to concentrate the water flow from your garden hose. The company claims it can help remove dirt, algae, and stains from surfaces like sidewalks, fences, and car wheels. It's promoted as a simple DIY cleaning tool that doesn't require electricity or heavy equipment. However, many independent reviews say the product may not perform like a real pressure washer, since a simple hose attachment cannot actually multiply water pressure dramatically. Some investigations also note that similar nozzles can be found online for much cheaper prices, which raises questions about the product's real value. So is the Qinux Aquoxis worth it? It might help with light cleaning if you just want a simple hose nozzle, but it probably won't replace a professional pressure washer like the ads suggest. On independent review platforms, the brand Qinux has received mixed to negative feedback, including complaints about product quality and customer service. If you're thinking about buying one, it's a good idea to research carefully and compare other cleaning tools first. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews in 2026.